Hi lovelies, join me as I challenge myself to find and test out 10 online money hacks for 2024 using my phone. I've used some of them, I've used them, and some of them I'm going to start using them with you today. Then at the end of the day or at the end of the month, we bring the feedback. Can I really make money while being lazy, sleeping at home, or being at home at the comfort of my home? Well, let's find out. Did you know that you can make money online using your smartphone? Just your smartphone. It's true, and in this video we'll cover 10 online money hacks for 2024 and even 2025, that is just months away, that can help you earn cash effortlessly from your phone. I've used my phone. It doesn't matter which type of phone, as long as it is a smartphone. Many people struggle to find legitimate ways to make extra money online without investing a lot of time and effort and even investing money to get money. But what if you could find out actually that you can make cash while barely lifting a finger, while just scrolling on your phone, just using it? What would you do? You know, there are some people right now who have just had this and they're just shaking their head because of their past experiences, because of the scam websites, scam talks that they received. But today, we will dive into each one of these hacks. But anyway, these hacks are very real. I've used them. I have proof. You can even confirm in any ways. Let's dive into each of these 10 hacks, explaining how they work and giving you some inside tips to maximize your earnings, all with minimum effort. You people, stay tuned until the end of this video. Please don't move your dial, don't move a finger. I know these hacks are going to be impactful to your life and even to your mindset, even to your financial freedom. One that might just turn your smartphone into a cash generating machine. Do you want that? If you want that, just remain with me. But before I dive into that, I would love to appreciate every person that has been here, especially our new members. And for royal subscribers, royal viewers, you're so wonderful. What I want you to know is that we have to change our mindset. We have to change our focus. But above all, let's put everything into practice. Remember, persistence should be your first, second, third name. Let's see the hack number 1, or the first lazy way to make money is by paid surveys. I've been singing about this. It works. Yes, it works 100%. First up, paid surveys. There are tons of apps like Swag Banks, which I talked about it in our previous videos, and Survey Junkie. Also, this we've talked about, that you can just use and do the opinions on your phone. While the payouts aren't massive, yes, but they add up. And at the end of the day, if you're consistent, $100 a day, you can make $3,000 in a month. Yes, I'm very sure about that. Let's check the second way of earning money from home, just lazily with your fingers scrolling just. The second one is cashback apps. The cashback apps are everywhere. The cashbacks like Laptwin or Ibotta let you earn money just for shopping as usual, just shopping through their portals, or scan receipts and watch the cashback roll in you. There are very many apps. I'm giving you these standard ones, which are Laptwin and Laptwin, or you can call it Ibotta. But you can use very many apps, like even we have Share, we have Shukran. These ones you can find Share from California. You can find Shukran from a landmark group of companies. So you can use these apps and you just scroll and do the needful. When we go to the third one is watching videos. This is one of the first that I started with, and I always tell you about it. Ever thought you could make money watching videos? Apps like Inbox Dollars will pay you to watch ads and short clips. It does not get even much lazier than that. You people, instead of you focusing on Telemundo, instead of you focusing on Amazon Premiere, instead of you focusing on those comedies that don't pay, they only make you laugh. You can come and specialize in watching videos and make huge sums of money on that. You can go different apps. You can use paid work. You can use very many apps that you can even find many of our videos in our previous videos talking about this. So you people, just go there. The tip I just want to tell you, use multiple devices to watch more videos simultaneously. And for cashbacks, you can combine multiple tasks, and you do a lot of purchases. Then when we go to paid surveys, what you need to do, you need to complete your surveys during downtime to rack up in earnings without disrupting your day. So you choose your downtime. Maybe my downtime is always at 3 p.m. after finishing everything. It's when I go for surveys. So the same applies to you. You have your own. Let's go to the fourth one. Is called microtask. Microtasking apps like gig work, I've talked about it before. Field agent pay, I've talked about it before. These ones, they pay you a bit little small, but it's easier for you because there are easy tasks like photos of products in stores around you, even checking prices around you, stores around you. These are perfect for when you're out and about. You guys, it is very easy for you to do this. What I advise you on this: make enough money on this. Focus on high paying tasks to maximize your earnings. You can make money on this. We go to the 5 way of lazy way of earning money. You can sell unused items. Got stuff lying around you? Yes, I watched one video from one lady called Odetta. Odetta gave us was talking about it some time back, and I tried it. I saw it work. So if you're getting stuffs around you, they are just lying around and not working, sell it. Apps like Facebook Marketplace and eBay make it super simple to sell old clothes, gadgets, and more directly from your phone. You guys, we have even more apps that you can find. You can find them in the comment section that you can use them. Facebook, you can use it. You can use Instagram. Why not sell those old stuff that you have it and make money from your phone? Tip on here how to use it and get high money: you have to post high quality photos and detailed description to sell faster, because there are some people who will go and take a photo of maybe of their cabinet they want to sell, but they take it in the wrong way with a photo which is not coming out. But the moment you use this, you are going to make money very fast. Then the 6th one is print on demand. I talked about this. I used it once with writings, even some t-shirts of mine. I just got one out of them, the ones I printed. If you're a little creative, you can upload designs to print on demand platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, and even get paid every time someone buys your design on a product. So what I encourage you to do here, use designs apps like Canva. There's a free version. If you want to go to step up the game, you can go also and pay the premium one. Canva can create for you eye-catching designs. It's what we use Canva to make our photos, to make other things. So why not use it for you to make money at the comfort of your home? The 7th one is passive income with apps. You guys, this is what I began with. There are apps like Honeygrain that let you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Once it is set up, you don't need to do anything; just let it run. So, but I always tell people, for you to use this, you have to secure a Wi-Fi connection to maximize your earnings. Because if you use data, you are not going to maximize your earnings. Remember, the goal is to make $3,000 per month. So if it is $3,000 per month, you need to make $100 in a day. Then we have the 8th one, which is freelancing. For those with a bit of skills, freelancing through Fiverr and even Upwork allows you to offer quick services like writing, graphics designs, or social media management, all from your phone. I have my manager. The
half of the time, what we're doing is scrolling on social media anyway.
Is online. We have never met. So whenever you have a skill, you can freelance it. And the tip about this, how you can increase money on this, remember our target is to make $100 per day. You offer micro gigs to attract more clients and get quick reviews. If you have micro gigs, you are going to be super up. The 9th tip is selling photos. You guys, I also did this. I have a proof on this. You do what you do. You have to take decent photos. You can sell them on sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. And every time someone downloads your image, you earn money. You guys, we always buy photos to use in our videos, in our posts like that. So this is what they do. People always upload there. It's not that they just make them with a machine and put them there. Remember, especially during season, I call them season, like Christmas, like Valentine's, birthdays. All those people are looking for high quality photos. So focus on popular themes like travel, lifestyle. These two, they have high chances of sales. You guys, well, let's go to the 10th one. It's the last but not least, of course. And finally, let's talk about app testing. Have you ever known that there is no app that can be put out running without being tested? I recently tested one app, which is a financial app called TapTap, and I earned money within 10 seconds. They had to get in contact with me. They told me what they need for me to review. And when I reviewed, I got my money direct. Not even after 1 hour, no, it was immediately. Finally, the app testing platform like testing pay, app testing platforms like user testing pay you to test websites and apps, giving you feedback in real time. It's simple and you can do it just from your phone. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to put on a screen. You don't need to go to your laptop, to your desktop. You use your phone. So the tip here, you guys, I advise you look for apps that pay in cash rather than gift cards for higher payouts, because gift cards, you are not going to get the cash back. Because we are aiming at $100 per day, getting cash is more better. You guys, so here we are. You have it, all the 10 online money hacks that can help you earn cash within minimal effort, without putting a lot of effort, all from your smartphone. But I promised you the most impactful hack, it is here. I always now started doing this because I want you, a person that finishes first, get the best. We have invest in micro-saving apps. Micro-saving apps like Acoms or Stash invest your spare change automatically. And over time, that small change can turn into a nice little nest egg. You can literally earn money while being lazy. And the app does all the work for you. You guys, now if you want to earn $100, it's not a must that you use one. You can use more than 3 apps here. Then you reached what you want to reach. You can make more than $100, but I know you can really make $100 if you're focused on this. Guys, don't forget to check out our next video, because this marks our end. But don't forget, really, you need to go to all our videos, even the past videos, and explore more. To wrap up with this, we explored paid surveys, we checked on cashbacks, watching videos, micro tasks, selling unused items, print on demand, passive income apps, freelancing, selling photos, app testing, and micro investing. Each of these hacks can make a difference in your finances and in your life. And the best part is they require little to no effort. Which one will you try first? Are you going to try surveys? Are you going to try watching videos? Or you're going to try print on demand? All is in your hands. Go for them. Don't forget to check out our next video, which will be very soon, on money making tips. And even I would love to hear from you, your experience with us. Please go to the comment section. Right, it can be positive, it can be negative, but let it be lovely and real. See you in the next video. Bye bye.